my shin.
What's up and welcome back to my channel. For today's Monday video, I'm going to be doing a get ready with me, except this is going to be the first video in a full series that's going to go on this entire year. I'm sure you guys already know by the title that today's video is going to be a get ready with me, but it's going to be Capricorn inspired. By the time you guys see this, we'll be just over the halfway point of the Capricorn in the astrology chart. So I thought it would be really cool throughout the whole year, zodiac sign inspired get ready with me's. Every time I get ready for anything, I always kind of try and find a theme. So I feel like doing one of these for all of the zodiacs throughout the year would be really fun, and which is why we are starting out with the good old Capricorn. Really quick, if you guys aren't following me already, I'm going to pop my Twitter and my Instagram right here. I've also been posting things like my 2018 resolutions to my blog. And since I get asked this question all the time, if you guys are curious what website I use to read my horoscope, then I will also link that down below. On Twitter, people are always like, what was the website you said again? So for all of these, I'll always just link the website that I use for horoscopes. I've always been really into horoscopes. I've like gotten my birth chart done. I don't take it so seriously that like I'm, you know, buying lotto tickets with my lucky numbers every day, but I do look at horoscopes for like a little bit of inspiration. I feel like horoscopes are one of those things that people are either super into it or super not. I think there's a lot of things that don't have scientific proof, and I think anything in life is what you make out of it. So that's kind of my view. I also just find them really fun. I've been getting really into the whole like spiritual realm lately. So that said, if you guys want to see my hair, makeup, and outfit inspired by the good old Capricorns of the world, then just keep watching. Okay, this heat blanket on. So cold. Today's mug, I tried to pick something that was a little Capricorn-esque, you know? Capricorns are very driven, they're very creative. They should make Oreo coffee. Guys, we should go to Shark Tank. Or an Oreo coffee creamer. So starting off, what is a get ready with me without our trusty Bentley ears? I have one extra pair of these. I've ended up buying two. Did you guys actually enter a giveaway to win Bentley ears? Because I know I would, but I'm biased. He's my dog and I'm obsessed with him. I'll try and find more, but I have one right now. So if you guys want to win it, somehow do a giveaway with them or like pick somebody to send them to, then let me know. So starting off, Greg is actually a Capricorn, so I have some first-hand knowledge when it comes to them. I actually really thoroughly enjoy researching horoscopes, so I like read out his horoscope all the time. Or like when you're reading those like horoscope things, you read yours, but then you read the people that you also know. Like I always read Sagittarius because my best friend Maggie's a Sag, and I always read Capricorn because of Greg. I always read Taurus because of like Christine and my brother, my dad. Research almost the correlating horoscopes to the people that I am like super close with. So I personally know a Capricorn who I'm quite fond of. So their zodiac symbol is the fish goat hybrid. Zodiac element is earth, which is why if you notice behind me, I've changed up the background. I'm gonna take these zodiac get ready with me's so seriously, you have no idea. So I put my plant, and I also put that deer up because even though they're supposed to be a goat, a deer's pretty close to a goat, right? Goat part of the symbol depicts ambition, resolute, intelligence, curiosity, but also steadiness, while the fish represents passion, spirituality, intuition, and connection with the soul. Their colors are dark green and dark blue. So there's all the fun facts about Capricorns in case you wanted to know. I mean, starting off with my makeup, I'm gonna do the same old boring stuff that I usually do. I've been trying the Too Faced Proactive Nourishing Hangover Replenishing Face Primer. It's got coconut water in it, probiotic based ingredients, and skin revivers. And then I'm just gonna go about my normal foundation routine, which bareMinerals Bare Pro foundation, my current absolute fave. Concealer, I'm going to be using the Marcelle Flawless Skin Fusion Concealer. Okay, so to set everything, I'm using my Too Faced Born This Way Ethereal Setting Powder. I've been using this one for a while now to like, I get like anxiety with these ones where you have to like shake it to get the powder up because I feel like my level of clumsiness just does not get along with those types of things. If you've put two and two together yet, You may have realized that Greg being a Capricorn means that his birthday is actually really soon, and I'm low-key very much stressing out about what to get him. I have a few ideas, and there's a few like kind of more sentimental things I was thinking of making him, but I need like a good gift idea. So if you guys have any good ideas of like gifts you can get your boyfriend for his birthday, like a ski pass, and like we could go skiing for the day because I know what day he has off. I was thinking about just like taking him for dinner, but then I feel like, I don't know, like my birthday, this is when we were fresh, okay? We were super fresh. And on my birthday last year, he like gave me this envelope, and inside the envelope was a piece of paper, Miami ? So he set the bar, like he freaking set the bar so high. Iceland, yes or no? Chuck E. Cheese, yes or no? I don't know. I'm stressing out. In the meantime, I'm gonna use the bareMinerals contour palette. This is something that I tried out for the first time in my last Get Ready With Me. And oh my god, this is like my pride and friggin' joy. This thing is amazing. I'm gonna use the highlight color in that. And then next I'm just gonna go, as per usual, with my Amazonian clay in taupe. I'm actually running so low on this. In between when I'm talking to you guys and when I'm actually doing the makeup, I've been playing my new playlist, but this playlist just went live this week. It's called Winter Wonders. I found some like insanely good new music this week. It's very like indie pop, you know? I think what I want to do, since Capricorns are very like blue, I might go into the Too Faced Glitter Bomb and just do like a pop of glitter just right underneath the face, like light and earthy. So I don't want to go too heavy on the eyes. I feel like I kind of want to leave them a little bit more fairy-like. Splash underneath my eye, which is this color here. It's like a green blue. I'm gonna take a setting spray, wet this little pencil brush, put the white just underneath the very middle of my eyes, and then go over top of it with the splash glitter.
Not the friend that you used to be. Moving on and getting over. Not the friend that you used to be.
Okay, so I accidentally put a little bit too much mascara on, but that's okay, we're just gonna roll with it. Next I'm gonna contour my face, so I'm going back into this contour palette, and I'm gonna use the blend color and the shade color as well, so like these two right here. And then I think I'm gonna go back into the blue, like the aqua color that we used as like the glitter underneath, and use that as a highlight to like add a bit more blue. This might totally destroy the whole look, but I just got an idea. I'm gonna try and take the blue like up heel. Okay, so didn't turn out as bad as I thought. So I'm just gonna, like I said, use that same blue color as a bit of a highlight. My nose, my cheekbones. Might be a little too blue actually. I'm gonna go over that actually with the fairy dust in here too, just because I feel like the blue's a little like it's clashing against my complexion a tiny bit. So, and then I totally forgot to contour my nose. So I'm actually really impressed with how this turned out. Now I just need to figure out what I want to put on my lips. I think I brought two options. I feel like this color could go, oh, this might be the winner. This is the French Nude by M Cosmetics. This was like my favorite lip product for so long that I'm super low on it.
Moving on, getting over.
Initially I was going to put lashes on, but I feel like honestly the mascara mishap where I put on a little bit too much, low key, not as high key. All I did to curl my hair today was use a curling one. It's 2 inches, and then I just kind of brushed out the curls a little bit. This new obsession of mine to create like buns and horns and like just things that take the bangs and pin them up. So that's kind of what we're gonna do, especially since Capricorns are like the goat. I feel like we need to make some sort of like horn or some sort of ponytail. I don't know. We're gonna come up with something. Once I pull it tight, I take a couple of the pieces of hair towards like my baby hairs in the front down, and then I'm going to cut it into 3 parts, braid it, and then basically wrap it around itself into a bun, like a space bun on my head. In terms of an outfit, again, kind of keeping with, you know, the blue theme, I'm just wearing this shirt. I believe it's from Urban Planet. The jacket is actually a jacket that's going to be coming out on Co's soon, but it's basically this blue corduroy with a little bit of like faux white fur, which the fur almost reminds me of like a lamb, which I don't know, anything related to a goat right now, I'm like, okay, that's Capricorn. And then I'm just wearing it with black jeans. And for boots, I decided to use this as my way of popping in the dark green of the Capricorn. So the boots I'm wearing are just from Urban Outfitters, and they're just like this dark green. I wanted this outfit to be very Capricorn inspired, but also make note of the fact that the Capricorn is right in the dead center of winter, so it still has to be a winter outfit, you know? Aside from that, I hope you guys enjoyed this little get ready with me for a Capricorn inspired look. If you guys are a Capricorn, leave me a comment down below and tell me. Or if you're not, tell me what your sign is down below, and if you guys even like care about astrology, I don't know. Which reminds me, I haven't even read my horoscope for the year yet. That is something I really should do. I'm gonna go do that now. Also, I think my coffee's cold. Yeah, it's really cold. Anything that I used in this video, I will link down below, including the playlist that I was talking to you guys about that I recently made. And I also recently posted a blog post of my 2018 resolutions, so check that out down below too. And aside from that, I will see you guys all in my next video or in a future Aquarius Get Ready with me. Bye guys.